Apopka Mayor Bryan Nelson is suing to try to get one of his opponents, Christine Moore, disqualified and removed from the ballot for mayor over a question of residency requirements. I'm News 6's Mike Valenti, your Orange County community correspondent, and we'll get to that question of residency in just a second. But just this week, on Monday actually, a judge set a trial date for this lawsuit for 2027. That is well after next month's municipal elections.
It's just a messy election. It's kind of like a fun local drama.
But you would think if she's not eligible, then how can she run?
That'd be interesting if she gets elected and then has a trial, and then it's like, what do we do about our mayor then?
It's a weird case.
So what's going on here, I guess, to start off?
This is sort of an unusual case because Florida's trial rules state that judges have a responsibility to expedite cases that are extraordinarily pressing, including cases involving elections.
Patrick Rickert is an assistant professor of political science at Rollins College.
Certainly the judge is not feeling that they have a reason to expedite the case.
The case here is Apopka Mayor Bryan Nelson's lawsuit against challenger and current Orange County Commissioner Christine Moore, claiming she has not lived in the city long enough to meet residency requirements for a candidate. Moore, for her part, has called Nelson's claims false and misleading. But the reason we're talking about this today is that just this week, a judge set a trial date for the case for 2027. July 26, 2027, to be exact.
The presumption going in is that she counts as a qualified candidate.
So what if Moore is elected Apopka mayor, but come 2027, the judge rules in Nelson's favor and says to Moore, actually, you never did meet the residency requirements. And that's effectively retroactively declaring that all those voters who voted for Christine Moore, those votes didn't count.
Functionally.
Meaning that, in theory, Moore could be kicked out of office more than a year after being elected. But first, we just have to get to the election on March 10th.
I could see voters really going either way.
Sticking to that scenario, if this comes to pass, that Christine Moore is in fact elected, and then fast forward to 2027, if the judge rules that Moore should have been disqualified as a candidate to begin with, the seat would be vacated, Rickert says, and then a special election would need to be held. I'm News 6's Mike Valenti, your Orange County community correspondent. Back to you.